have arrived at the airport. Now we need to take a shuttle bus to the terminal. We are going to meet up our airport pickup person, driver. I think he's been waiting for more than 1 hour already. It's a bit slow today.
您这个飞机降落到现在也是
It costs around 100 RMB to take a taxi from the airport to the hotel, which is about 20 Australian dollars. The hotel also has vending machines, which are very convenient.
欢迎光临金江便利机器人商店。
I wonder when Australian hotels will also offer robots. The process took a long time and the whole process was very slow. Finally, it's done. Now let's unbox our room together. This time I booked a standard room. During check-in, all the rooms were already booked, so I wasn't upgraded. However, they managed to switch me to a room with a bathtub. There are plenty of charging sockets. The room looks nice and the overall feel is much better than the one in Bao'an and cleaner too. Good quality sleepers and complimentary water and coffee capsules. I really like this cup. The bathroom is also nice without any unpleasant odors. Let's eat quickly because we are heading out for dinner. We've been on the airplane for the whole day, so I need to brush my teeth. Yep, 17 grams. The toothbrush looks quite decent as well. And they have also prepared mouthwash, mint flavored mouthwash. Just have a little thing. Yeah, we are heading out to have some Chinese barbecue. Yum, I can't wait for it. See you guys later. We took a taxi to have barbecue. It's about a 20-minute walk, but it's really cold in winter, so we decided to take a taxi. It's lively at night with people queuing in front of the hot pot restaurant. Complimentary Chinese herbal tea. It's hot. Lemon tea. I enjoyed eating pig trotters. They were delicious but very spicy. So this one is called fish mint, a delicacy from Guizhou. I didn't expect to find it in Shenzhen. It's like, coriander. You either love it or hate it. I certainly love it. After eating, we took a taxi back to the hotel. The driver was very cute. The note basically saying that he's socially anxious, so don't talk to him, but don't forget to give him a good rating. A very new experience is that before returning to China, we bought many things online and had them delivered to a nearby pickup point. You just need to enter the pickup code to retrieve your packages. Of course, if you don't pick them up within a day, you'll need to pay an additional fee about 1 RMB per day. We checked out the hotel lounge, but we were too stuffed, so we didn't eat anything. They have many board games, which is fantastic. And even a collector's edition of Water Margin. It's really great. Now it's time to brush my teeth, take a shower, and get ready for bed. We have an early flight tomorrow. I didn't sleep well last night. The hotel has poolside installation, and I could always hear people talking in the corridor, so I was awakened many times. Overall, the experience was good. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next city.